Hey, look, it's a dinosaur over here.
Yeah, I saw that. They like just put that there, and me and Sarah took a walk. I was like, what?
Yo, what in the world? Nice action right there. That's it.
Yeah?
I think I got a fish on.
Heck yeah.
Or it might be some weeds. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Definitely a bass.
Nice.
Let's go.
Dude, that's a good bass right there.
Not bad at all. Got a little square bill right here. See you later, dude. There goes one.
Yeah.
There goes one. Yeah, he's a good one. Not a bad one.
See what the bass in here looks like.
Let's see, let's see. Off the spinner. Oh, he ain't bad. He ain't bad. Like a pound and a half.
Right.
Off the spinner. Barely hooked him. See you later, dude. I'm catching on a chartreuse and white.
Yeah.
It's been doing good. Yep.
Nice.
Yep, he's a good one. Oh, he's fighting like a good one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice fall bass right there. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
Nice.
That's pushing 2.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir. He hit it on the rip. They're feeding good. Nice little belly. See you later, dude. Oh, there goes a bass. Right on the rip, right on the rip. Let's go.
Dude, I saw that flash.
You saw the flash?
I saw the flash.
It was dope. We had a bass follow it to the boat there. Another one. Let's go. See you later, dude.